Hey everyone! People always ask me how can I be traveling so much and wonder how much I spend. Well, today I'm going to show you some of my tricks. Number 1. Flexibility is key. You will be able to have so many more options if you have the flexibility when it comes to the dates that you're flying, which airports you're flying in and out of, and even surrounding cities. From my experience, you tend to find cheaper flights during the week, although Saturdays are typically pretty cheap too. Friday and Sundays are probably the worst for the most part. In addition to be flexible, always travel late. More and more airlines are charging you for even the carry-on, even the big airlines such as Delta and American, sometimes $65 or more. On the other hand, personal item is still free. The 38-liter Hynes Eagle backpack that I travel with fits everything I need. It fits under the seat, and I have never had any problem even with budget airlines such as WOW or Ryanair. Number 2, use Google Flights. Out of all the search engines out there, Google Flights is by far my favorite. The coolest part about Google Flights is you can put in multiple departing and arriving airports, which increase finding even cheaper flights by 100 times. In addition, you can play around with the dates and destination. You can select an entire month or even an entire continent. As you can see here, you can fly to London, Dublin, Amsterdam, Barcelona, from San Francisco for around $300 a round trip. Pretty crazy, huh? Once you found the flights that you want on Google Flights, I would often check with Skyscanner for the exact date for the exact flight to see if you can get a better deal. And in this case, Google Flight is still cheaper. Of course, always do your research in incognito windows. Number 3, if you're flying within the United States, make sure you check Southwest Airlines first, as they don't appear on the search engines such as Google Flights. Southwest is by far my favorite airlines in the US. Not only do you get good fares with them pretty often, but essentially there's no cancellation fees whatsoever. So what that means is, whenever you see a good price that fits your dates on Southwest, book it. Because literally you can cancel the flight the day before and still get all your money back. I don't know any other airlines in the world that lets you do that unless you're flying first class. Plus, you get 2 check bags and carry-ons are of course free. You really don't get that anymore. So there you have it. Those are my top 3 tips. Now what are you waiting for? Just pack up and go.